What's the meaning of Bugs Bunny? Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny.
Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny is a cartoon character created by Warner Brothers Entertainment. He first appeared in a short film called A Wild Hare in 1940 and has since become one of the most recognizable characters in animation history. Bugs Bunny is known for his iconic catchphrase, "What's up, Doc?" and his mischievous, wily personality. He is often portrayed as outwitting his enemies, including other animated characters like Elmer Fudd and Yosemite Sam. The name Bugs was chosen because it was a commonly used nickname for people who were considered quirky or eccentric. Overall, Bugs Bunny represents a fun, playful and entertaining personality that has brought joy to generations of viewers.